Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable Roblox desktop app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable Roblox desktop app, first of all you just need to open the file explorer. You can see here C drive. After that you just need to open the C drive. Just double click on that. After that you can see here users folder. Just double click and open. In this you need to select your user folder. My user folder is this. After that you need to find app data. If you are unable to see this app data folder, you just need to click on this, or you can see here view option. Just click on show and click on show hidden items. After that this folder will be visible. After that you need to open that folder, click on local. In this you need to find Roblox. Just press R key, find the Roblox and open. In this you need to find folder name version. After finding the version folder, you just need to open that version folder. Under that you need to find Roblox Studio launcher beta. You can see the version folder is not visible in my case. If in your case it is disabled, you just need to open that version folder and find Roblox Studio launcher beta. Under version you need to select that Roblox Studio launcher beta and delete that file. After deleting, just close this window and relaunch your Roblox. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable Roblox Studio desktop app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.